How to get better audio on your smartphone. Hi, my name is Michael. I'm a filmmaker and video coach, and in today's video we are looking at audio and why it's important to make sure that we have the best audio when filming on our smartphones. So today we are looking at audio, and it's very important to have good audio. Usually I film with a microphone that's attached to my desk. Today I am using the SmartLav. I am filming with this because I want you to really hear the quality without editing any of the audio, how good the quality is just by plugging and playing and having additional sound equipment to enhance your videos. So this is the Rode SmartLav Plus. They're directional microphones and they really do cut down on background noise. They do not break the bank. You can pick them up for $49. They are not expensive. For the quality that they give you, it is worth the money. Sometimes you just have to put your money where your mouth is and invest. Once you start really focusing on the importance of audio when creating video content, you will see a massive improvement with your engagement when you are creating consistent content. Because you might have the best product in the world, you might have the best story in the world, but if somebody can't hear you, then there's a likely chance that they're just going to switch off and watch another video. When we are creating engaging content, we have to look at loads of elements to make video engaging, and audio is practically 70% of any project. If you don't have good audio, people will switch off. So let's have a little look at the Rode SmartLav Plus in action outside. So I am outside my house testing out the Rode SmartLav Plus. Now I've had this microphone for about 6 to 7 years, and it's great because it's a directional microphone, so the sound of a car going past, you actually can't hear it that much because it's directional. I've got it attached to my coat just here, and it's just clipped on, and it's actually recording the audio on my smartphone. And then what I will do is I will sync that up to this camera. But you can use this when you are filming videos on your smartphone. If I now cut to the audio from the camera, there's a car coming down now and you're going to hear a massive difference. It's not going to be as clear. The car is a lot louder. So if we go back to the Rode mic, you can see that there's a massive difference in production quality. And all you have to do is buy one of these microphones, plug it into your smartphone, and use it in your built-in camera, and the quality that you get from it is amazing. So as you can see, there is a massive difference in implementing this little thing and creating really good engaging content. This is going to make your videos more professional. It is a small investment considering what you get out of it. They literally come with me on every single film day. There is no chance I would not use these. I do have a shotgun mic on my camera, but the audio quality is just not as good as these. So I would say to anybody wanting to up their game with video content, I think investing in a SmartLav Plus is your next step. So that's all we have time for this week, but I will be back next week with some more valued content to help you grow your video journey. So if you would like to subscribe, then don't forget to click the button, and if you want to see when I post my latest videos, then don't forget to click the bell. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all soon.